Good morning, everyone. Myself P. Anuradha, DL in Political Science, TTW RDC Kottagudam. Honorable Secretary Sir and other respected head office officials and respected Principal Madam, thank you giving me this wonderful opportunity. Today, I would like to explain about a great political philosopher, Plato. Okay, Plato, not only he is political philosopher, he is great philosopher. He wrote so many books. His thoughts and his philosophy, great philosophy. He is from Athens in Greek. Yes, Greek philosophy, Greek's contribution, most important contribution. In that time, before 400 years BC, 400 years ago, there is only some civilizations we saw. In those civilizations, Greek civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, like these civilizations are most important. In those civilizations, Greek civilization most important in Western world. Why Greek civilization is most important? Because Greeks contribution, Greeks gave so much of knowledge, all types of knowledge to Western world. Athens is a branch of philosophy dealing with the nature of arts, beauty, application of beauty. He belongs to Athens. Next, Plato. He is a Western political philosopher. He is great follower of Socrates. Already we know. Yes, Socrates, great philosopher from Greeks. Plato born 427 BC in Athens, died 347 BC. He is founder of academy and great teacher of Aristotle also. He is a great follower of Socrates also. Why? Because Socrates not only political philosopher, his contribution also most important contribution in Western world. Plato was a classical Greek philosopher. He is most important book of Plato, that is Republic, Statesman, the Laws. These three books are most important, Plato's most important books. Plato, he is a student of Socrates and at the same time teacher of our great political philosopher Aristotle. Already we know Aristotle, father of our political science. Classical Greek, Plato, classical Greek political philosopher and great mathematician and great poet also. He is founder of academy. He is first person to establish a great educational institution, that is academy in Greek, in Athens. So he is first educationalist also. Not only educationalist, Plato first educationalist, at the same time first political philosopher, and he is a feminist also. He established a new education system. Main important point in Plato is most important aim of Plato is to create a ideal state. He discussed in a Republic, Statesman, the Laws, three most important books of Plato. In these three books, he discussed about, he explained about what is ideal state. What is the relations between human beings and state. Okay, he is founder of academy. That is the academy is the first educational institution of higher learning in the Western world. Academy is the best institution. Along with this mentor Socrates and his student Aristotle, Plato helped to lay the foundation of Western philosophy and science. Plato was originally a student of Socrates and was as much influenced by his thinking as by his apparently unjust execution. Okay, already we know Socrates' importance. Socrates best thinker. Okay, first of all, he is best thinker, and at the same time he is best philosopher also. Aristotle was the student at his academy in Athens, Plato's academy. Aristotle best student and best Platonic of academy. At the academy, he taught his subjects astronomy, biology, mathematics, political theory, and philosophy. Plato and Aristotle shared a sense of importance of ethics and both regarded music, poetry like this. So many topics they discussed in academy. Plato he used dialogue method in his scripts, in his thoughts, in his books. Why? Because Plato was Socrates was Plato's teacher, and Plato started to adapt his philosophy style of debate. After Socrates' death in 399 BC, Plato left Athens with some friends and to traveled for the next 12 years while studying so many subjects and religion also. Plato's studies were directed towards the question of virtue, the formation of noble character. Yes, my dear friends, in that time Greeks they gave importance to knowledge and justice. According to Plato's opinion, knowledge and justice is most important. Virtue is most important thing. They gave importance to virtue. Next, we saw some important points about Plato's philosophy. Everything has a truth and essence. Your job is to seek this truth. Life is an adventure and journey, not a destination. Yes, my dear friends, from Plato's opinion, life, every human being's life, like adventure and journey. Human beings' life have adventures. It is great journey, not a destination. In human beings' life, we saw so many generations, but there is no end. So, no destination, adventure and journey. Next, the good teacher will spark you, lead you to the truth with integrity, reason, immigration. Yes, Plato gave importance to teachers and at the same time education system. According to Plato's opinion, education is the most important quality. Every human being's education is should and must. Education gave knowledge to us. That is Plato's opinion. Good teacher definitely spark their students. Yes, this is Plato's opinion. Virtue is excellence or doing your best. Plato's important books, The Republic, The Statesman, The Laws. These three books are most important. In those books, in the Republic, he discussed about justice first. What is virtue? According to Plato's opinion, what is justice? Do your best. Do your duty first. Don't interfere others' duties. That is your justice. So, doing your best, reaching your highest potential for good. All humans have potential for virtue, goodness, and to shape good character. Good character depends upon their virtue. Virtue depends upon human beings' soul. Yes, my dear friends, soul direct you. Okay, what is good? Soul dictate you. Soul teach you what is good and what is bad. That is Plato's opinion. The potential rests in the human soul, everyone born with a great soul. According to Plato's opinion, everyone born with a great soul. Yes, he gave importance to in his writings, Plato's writings. We saw there is no gender discrimination. According to Plato's opinion, all human beings, all females are same. They gave importance to women also at the same time. So he is first feminist also in all over the Western world. Yes, character. Next point, character is what is developed from his soul and his molded and tested and shaped a dynamic progress. Yes, our character is most important. So that Plato gave importance to character also. Character, our soul teaches you what is your character. That is depend upon our soul. Our character depends upon our soul. These are the some points of Plato's philosophy. Next, concerned with justice, virtue, character and human soul. Wanted students to become independent thinkers, think for themselves. Yes, my dear friends, thinking is first good quality. Think different. Independent thinking is most important for everyone. Not only everyone, every student, independent thinking, that is most important. Wanted students to become independent thinkers. Plato's opinion, Plato's aim, every student created by great teachers. Every student become a great thinkers. That is Plato's opinion. Like Plato, in Plato's education system also, Plato designed like this. In Plato's education system, there is a independent thinking, independent thoughts. Okay. Next, the only good life or a life worth living as a life reasoned by your own mind, not others' ideas and opinions. Change your life and mind. Others' opinion, others' ideas definitely change your character and your life. Your idea, your creativity, that is most important in your life. That is give good life to you. Yes, good soul think always good ideas, good thoughts. That is Plato's opinion. According to Plato's opinion, good ideas, good opinions, that is your opinions, not others' opinions. Okay, first think identical thinking, self-thinking, that is most important every human being's life. Self-thinking is most important. Self-teaching is most important. Okay, next examine your life, history and ideas. Once self-examine, then you are ready for knowledge. Yes, my dear friends, knowledge is most important. Knowledge, what we don't know, that is our you don't know. Please try to learn that thing. Okay, knowledge is most important. Greeks gave importance to knowledge in that time. Knowledge is most important. What is what we don't know, that is first step of learning. Yes, I don't know this. How do I know this? Yes, that is knowledge. That is the first step of knowledge. First, identify yourself. Please know yourself. I don't know this. What is this? That is knowledge. That is the first step of learning. Yes, my dear friends. Knowledge is not sense, perception, not what simply appears to me. Okay, like Socrates, Plato believes in virtue is knowledge. Yes, virtue is knowledge. Suguname jnanamu. Suguname jnanamu. Your character, what is your soul justice, that is give good knowledge for you. Yes, your soul, your mind, your thoughts give knowledge to you. And source of knowledge is virtue. Virtue is knowledge and source of knowledge is virtue. It is not abstract but concrete knowledge, not theoretical but practical knowledge. A man must know what is good so what he may do good. Yes, our secretaries are also explain practical knowledge. Okay, practical knowledge, application of knowledge is most important. Apply what you are learned, please try to apply. Application of knowledge, practical knowledge, that is most important. From Plato's opinion also, according to Plato's thoughts, applied knowledge is most knowledge. Independent thinking, applied knowledge, practical knowledge is most important for every student. These are the some points about Plato's philosophy. Next, Socrates, influence of the Socrates. These 3 points are most important in Plato's philosophy and Socrates' philosophy at the same time. What is these 3 things? Virtue is knowledge. Idea is real. Idea depend upon your thoughts, your thinking. Please start first. Independent thinking is most important. Next, theory of knowledge. Virtue is knowledge. Terms are identical. No virtue or excellence without knowledge. Influenced the entire personality, thought, intellect. Idea is a real. Yes, what is real is the idea of thing. Is the perfect, permanent, immutable, self-existent entry outward objects of perfection. Okay, the things itself, beauty could exist without a beautiful things. Beautiful things, beautiful ideas came from beautiful thoughts. Okay, beautiful ideas came from beautiful thoughts. Yes, my dear friends, theory of knowledge. Theory of knowledge also most important. 2 kinds of knowledge, opinion or belief. Okay, these are the most important things in Socrates, at the same time Plato. Yes, my dear friends, in a first book of Plato, that is Republic. The Republic, the Statesman, the Laws. These 3 books are most important in Plato. Plato in the Republic, he discussed about first ideal state. Next, the Statesman, he discussed what is the classification of government. Next, the laws he discussed about what is the second ideal state of Plato. Okay, in first ideal state, he in the Republic he discussed about what is justice first, next education system, next communism. Okay, first justice, next education system, next communism. These three most important in Republic. First of all, he in the Republic, first he discussed some important thinkers' justice, like Thrasymachus, Glaucus, like. Okay, according to Thrasymachus, justice is always the interest of strongest. Injustice is better than justice. This is Thrasymachus' opinion. Thrasymachus, Glaucus, those are important political philosophers in that time. They are sophists. Already we know in Greek teachers, sophists are Greek teachers. Okay. In that time, according to Thrasymachus' opinion, justice is always the interest of strongest. Okay, that is state justice. Injustice is better than justice. Okay, but Plato criticized this. Plato criticized Thrasymachus' justice. The ruler practices art of government not in his own interest, but to bring about an improvement in the governed. Justice is always better than injustice. A just man is wiser, stronger, and hyper than an unjust man, for he know his limitations too. Okay, so justice is most important concept, and he criticized Thrasymachus' justice. Next, Glaucon theory of justice is the interest of weaker. Okay, according to Thrasymachus, justice is the interest of stronger. Glaucon opinion, justice is the interest of the weakers. But justice is the product of fear, and it's based on the necessity of the weakest. That is Glaucon opinion. But Plato interest of society or state, that is real justice. That is Plato's opinion. Obeyed because of inner values. Okay, justice is not interest of weaker section, not interest of stronger section. Justice is depends upon human beings' life. Do your duty, do your work first. Don't interfere others' works. That is justice. That is Plato's opinion of justice. Yes, principles of Plato justice. Non-interference. Yes, don't interfere others' work. Education gave work to you in the state. Yes, in education system we discussed. Okay, education decided what is your duty. According to Plato's opinion, education is most important to all human beings. Without education, he cannot. So, education decided what is your duty. So, do your duty first. Functional specialization. Yes, education decided your specialization. Okay, do your specialization. Okay, in Plato, justice, non-interference, specialization is most important. Next, harmony. These 3 points are most important. Yes, in justice, there is 2 types of justice are there. One is individual justice, another one is social justice. Individual justice depends upon your soul. Individual justice depend upon your soul. Social justice depends upon all peoples of that states. Understood? Yes, my dear friends, individual justice, that is depend upon your soul and your thoughts. Social justice depend upon all peoples who are lived in that particular states. That is social justice. Two types of justice we saw in society. What are they? Social justice and individual justice. Yes, individual justice, social justice. Next, other features of justice. This is human beings internal soul thoughts, internal thoughts is most important in justice. Next, theory of specialization. Next, theory of non-interference. Theory of harmony and unity. Yes, social justice depend upon unity of all citizens. Okay, that is internal policy. Justice is individual justice depend upon individual person's soul. So that is internal. Next, that is specialization. Education give criteria to you. Education give specializations in state. Okay, education give duty to you. What is your duty? What is your education? Education create duties in particular states. So education is most important. Not interference, this is also one of the important features of Plato's justice. Don't interfere others' work. Do your work. That is most important. Next, theory of harmony and unity. Unity is most important in social justice, in state justice. Unity is most important. Citizens' unity is most important. Next, moral values also most important. What is your duty? First, that is most important. Do your duty. 100% give efforts to your give efforts. That is your duty. Do your duty first. That is moral values also most important in justice. Concerned with all aspects. Against individual. This is against individualism. Next, philosopher kings. It is created a philosopher's kings. Education created a philosopher king. That is we discuss after after this justice we discuss who is the philosopher king in education system. Okay. Next, education system. Systematic education system also most important in Plato's justice. Next, communism also most important. Next, power. Next, equal rights to women. Already we will discuss. He is the first feminist. Plato, first feminist, first political philosopher and first communist, and at the same time first feminist. Why? Because he gave so many rights to women also. At the same time so many rights to women also. Main important, Plato's aim next after justice, Plato's education system is most important. Okay, in the Republic, first he discussed about justice, next he discussed about education system, next after he discussed about communism. So already we completed justice. Next, education. Plato's education system is most important. He is first educationalist also. He established a new education policy in Athens. He founder of academy. Academy, first educational institution in Western world. Okay. The total development of man mind, body and soul by using very possible means. Education shows a development of those students. Education is most important to mind and soul. Soul and mind education is most important. Students' development depends upon education. Yes, education changed in all circumstances of every states. Yes, education, human resource develops human resource. Human resource, all circumstances, education, economical development, social development, political development, any development in state, that is depend upon human resource. Education creates a human resource. Overall development depend upon education. Education gives all types of knowledge to all peoples. That is the most important point in Plato's education system. The education develop leaders among the future leaders. The develop leaders among the future leaders. Yes, education creates leaders also. Teacher creates leaders. Teacher create anything. Teacher create spark students. That is depend upon teachers. Teachers, students' life in teacher hand. That is Plato's opinion. To develop hard and competent workers. To produce leaders with military skills among the warriors. Okay, military personalities, rulers and warriors and farmers, anyone in the state. Education creates all human resources. To produce future civil servants of the state, education produced future civil servants like philosopher kings. The highest goal of education, Plato believed, is the knowledge of good. Yes, knowledge, two types of knowledges are there. That one is good knowledge and one is another one is bad knowledge. Education always teaches what is good knowledge. Education gave knowledge about what is good knowledge. Yes, to nature of men, to a better human being, it is not merely an awareness of particular benefits and pleasures. Yes, my dear friends, education give always good knowledge. And what is state? Yes, as a social science students, we know what is state, what is rights, what is our duties, what is government officials' duties. Yes, my subjects give knowledge to like knowledge to me. Yes, so education give wonderful good knowledge about all things. Yes, that is the main aims of Plato's education system. Next, teaching methods. Plato he discussed wonderful teaching methods in a Republic. Plato recommended play method at elementary level. Students should learn by doing. Learn by doing. Yes, practical knowledge is most important to every student. Plato, according to Plato's opinion, practical knowledge is most important. So, students should learn by doing. and when he reached the higher level of education, his reason would be turned into process of thinking and observation. Yes, thinking and observation these two things are most important in higher education. Thinking, thoughts themselves, think themselves, and observation, these two things are most important in higher education. That is Plato's opinion. Next, Plato wants motivation and interest in learning. He is against to use force in education. Yes, he is against to force in education. Knowledge which is acquired under compulsion, now obligation on hold on the mind. Okay, this is a mind think. Education, learning, that is depends upon students' minds. So don't force. That is Plato's opinion. Plato wants motivation and interest in learning. He is against the using of force in education. Next, this is the, in this slide, this is very good and beautiful quotation of Plato. The object of education is to teach us to love what is beautiful. That is the main important point in education. The object of education is to teach us to love what is beautiful. Yes, what is beautiful in our life, education teaches us. What is beautiful in our life, what is good in our life, what is better in our life, what is thoughts in our life. Education give knowledge about all these. That is Plato's opinion. Next, before Plato's education system, he explained Athens education system. In Athens, there is a no state control education system. In Athens, in that time, complete private education system. Sophists give teaches us to students, but they want money. They want something. So Plato criticized that private education system, private education policy in that time. So in Athens, no state controlled education, primary, secondary, tertiary education, have primary, secondary, tertiary education. Next, domestic education, no technical education. These 4 points are most important in Athens education system. Next most important city-state, Sparta. Okay, in Greek, in that time, 200 city-states are there in Greek civilization. Those city-states are very independent city-states. In those independent city-states, Athens, Sparta, these two city-states are most knowledge states and most important states. In a Spartanian education system, state controlled education system, both boys and girls got education. Next, music, gymnastic were given importance. Yes, Plato tried to combine these two systems after he introduced his education system, education policy. Features of Plato's education system is state controlled education, both men-women education. Next, strict consulship of lecture. Okay, why? Because teacher's life depends upon our students' lives depends upon teachers. Teachers, first teachers, role models, best role models to students. Any student we saw, yes, Aristotle, Plato is role model of Aristotle. Socrates role model of Plato's opinion. Socrates best teacher. Socrates my role model. That is Plato's opinion. Aristotle's opinion. Plato is my role model. That is Aristotle's opinion. Yes, every teacher like a role model to those students. Next, these are the features. Next, compulsory education. Every human being's education is compulsory. Both mental moral development, this is next point, is both mental and moral development also most important in education. Next, relation with soul. Education combined soul and mind. Mind education, soul education, both most important. According to Plato's opinion, music one of the best medicine of our soul. And at the same time, education also one of the most important medicine of soul. Our character depend upon soul. Our character is most important. That is our character shows what you are in society. So the soul education is most important. Next, producing a philosopher king. That is also most important goal and most important aim of education. Philosopher king. Who is philosopher king? Who is completed their education completely up to birth to 50 years. After completion of 50 years education, they become those human beings are become a philosopher kings. Okay. Next, in education system there is a two parts of educations. One is the basic education, that is the by birth to 6th years education, first stage of basic education. Study their own language and using pictures, music, rhythmatic poems like this. In a first stage education system, using pictures, using poems, rhythmatic poems, that is most important in a first stage. First stage completed birth to 6 years. Next, second stage in basic education, that is 7 to 18 years. Music and gymnastic is most important in 7 to 18 years of education. Okay, soul mind education is most important in that time. Okay, next, third stage of education, that is 18 to 19 years. Military training is compulsory in all human beings. 18 to 19 years, these 2 years completely military training should and must for all. Okay. Next, women education. Next, higher education. After completion of 19 years, in Plato's education system, there is 2 entrance exams. Okay. After completion of 19 years education, they enter into higher education. Before entering into higher education, they attempt one entrance exam. Who passed in that entrance exam, they enter into higher education. Completion of higher education, after 35 years, they faced next entrance exam. These two entrance exams is most important. These two entrance exams decided what is your duty and what is your capability in the state. Next, one more point is most important in Plato's education system, that is women education. Women education also most important. Plato also emphasizes on women education. According to Plato's opinion, women, men both are same. He considers the same kind of education for women. Women should the same same physical and educational training should and must men or women physical and physical education should and must and for all. That is Plato's opinion. They should know what the art of war. The main aim of Plato was that each member of society should undertake his works and responsibilities. Yes, education gave responsibilities to every citizens. Plato's opinion also social responsibility most important every human beings, every citizen's social responsibility should and must for all. Next, Plato believed the women are equal to men, and that although some women are physically similar or weak, some women are physically equal to men. That is Plato's opinion, equal to men. Therefore, those women who are physically strong, they be allowed to learn the same skills that men do. Yes, according to Plato's opinion, some women they are strong like men. Okay, next there is no gender discrimination. Okay, our soul, our body decided our strength. So some women also equally they are strong like men. In his book Republic, Plato describes how male and female receive the same education and be given same duties in society as given to the male members. These peoples are ones who will be in charge his republic, which would be an ideal society, where philosopher kings in other worlds who know what is good for the people and for the mankind, and like their discussions based on the knowledge. Okay, this is Plato's opinion about women. Okay, he is the first feminist also. He Plato's according to Plato's opinion, there is no discrimination. Okay, next this is the structure of state. Okay, first ruler king's education decided these three stages. Education decided these three stages. First stage, peoples are rulers. They completed their 50 years lengthy education. Next, guardians. They are military peoples and administrative officers came into second stage. Next, farmers and laborers they came into aristants. These three stages is most important. Rulers, quality of rulers, wisdom, knowledge is the most important quality of rulers. Courage, service, most important quality of guardians. Next, impressions is the most important of aristants. These three stages most important. Okay, justice also depend upon these three stages. Do your work. What is your stage? Do your that work. Do that work. That is the Plato's opinion. Next, in the Republic, first justice is most important. Next, he discussed about education system. Next, he discussed about communism. Theory of communism also most important in Plato's Republic. Yes, my dear friends, communism, he is the first communist. Why? Because he is not a realistic philosopher. He is ideal philosopher. Plato, ideal philosopher. But Aristotle not like that. Aristotle, realistic philosopher. Scientific philosopher. But Plato not like that. He is a ideal personality. He have ideal personality. Okay, he is think like that. What is good? What is idea? He is according to his opinion. Every human beings are they are ideal personality. They have ideal personality. That is Plato's opinion. Okay, he believed that without a communism, there would be clash of ideas, interest between reason of aptitude of philosopher kings. Plato's communism is based on only primes that property. Family interests and private interests would distract men's attitude and attention of his obligations of the community. It is destroyed. Okay, if, individual family, individual property, that is more individual in communism. Two types of communisms he discussed. The one is property communism and family communism. Plato attempted to create a new social order. This communism only belongs to ruling classes only. Okay, this is not for other classes. This is only for ruling classes. Plato attempted to create a new social order wherein the ruling classes surrender both family and private property and embraced a system of communism. This practice of communism is only meant for the ruling classes and the guardian classes only. Okay, in Republic, the Plato discussed this is only for ruling classes and guardian classes. But in the last, in the second ideal state, only it is belongs to ruling classes only. Okay. Next, Plato did not bind these principles on the third class. Okay, namely the artisans in other worlds, they were allowed to maintain property and family. Why? Because without family we cannot imagine the state. Okay, but Aristotle criticized Plato's education and Plato's communism. Why? Because Plato's communism destroys family system. Okay, they were allowed to maintain property and family. Third class people to allowed to maintenance property and family, but were under strict supervision, so that they do not become either too rich or too poor. Thought Plato surrendered the society in this manner. He never made any attempt to work out his plan that ensured such a system to function. Okay, property and family, these property and family like a bond. Okay, in human beings life we have two bonds, property and family. Family is the first important bond. Okay, the first important property is first important bond. Next, the land and its products were in the hands of the farmers. So only the guardians were deprived of property. Plato deprived them all valuables such as gold and silver, and were told that to diviner metal is within them, and therefore there is no need for any ornaments as it might pollute the divine thoughts. Yes, our ornaments, asserts, lands, our property completely pollute our divine thoughts. It develops selfishness, so that Plato give this communism. Okay, ornaments, lands completely pollute the divine thoughts. The guardians were paid salaries just right, although for their maintenance. They were expected to divine and common tables and live in common breaks, which were always open. This is a property communism. Next, family communism deprived the guardian class not only of property but also a private life. Our family creates private life. Okay, social life is different, our private life is different. Our private life, that is individual's life. Okay, private life. Family, because family introduced an element of thin and mind. Next, family would destroy a sense of corruption what forms as a basis for a state. So this is Plato's wanted to rules of an ideal state not to get distracted from their work and get tempted towards self-interests. Yes, Plato's opinion, selfishness is most danger. Ruling class people's selfishness is most dangerous to state. So, important Plato's opinion, Plato's aim. What is Plato's aim and what is Plato's opinion? To create an ideal state. That is Plato's idea. That is Plato's aim. To create an ideal state. To philosopher kings. In ideal state, philosopher kings is most important. States depend upon ideal peoples, ideal personalities, and at the same time courage peoples. He cannot give importance to farmers and laborers, but Aristotle criticized Plato's education system and communism. According to Aristotle's opinion, this is useless. Opposed the fundamental nature of man, difference in nature of male and female. According to Aristotle's opinion, human beings are not equal. Okay, according to Plato, both men, women, both are same. But according to Aristotle's opinion, females are male and female not equal. Okay, male person have some capabilities and female persons have some capabilities. That is Aristotle's opinion. Okay, every human beings by naturally they are different. That is Aristotle's opinion. But Plato's opinion, every human beings have same capabilities, same personalities. That is Plato's opinion. Okay, relations of Plato's communism destroy relation of husband and wife and family, relation of mother with childrens. Okay, this is a impossible thing. First of all, Aristotle criticized Plato communism. This is impossible thing. Why? Because every human being's individual life, family is most important. In human beings development also, family role most important. This is Plato's Republic. In Plato Republic, justice, education system, and communism. These 3 points are most important in Plato's education system, in Plato's Republic. Okay, thank you giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you one and all.